would survive fixing birds' nests. I'm so sorry, bird. Upset. I guess it's okay. But said, I can fix my nest. No, Kip said, I can fix the nest. Lily found some new sticks. But I keep looking for new sticks. There's something in the pot. On the board. They keep for a festive stick. Where is the car? Vroom, vroom. What are they doing? It said, I'm a race car driver. It said, you're not a race car driver. Come on. You're not a race. Come on, bird. It said, let's go for a ride. I don't want to ride in the car. But that car go too fast. Because we're pretending. Kip said, oh, okay. But said, why not? But climb into the car. Something is starting to move. Em muốn nghe nào?